bad do you think it is?
I don't think it's too terribly bad, but at the same time, with that wall being rotted,
yeah. Is it really rotted?
The screws got worse.
Yeah.
I saw it when I was standing right there. The screws did pull out more.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's getting bad.
Hey y'all, I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Chris. We have always wanted to leave the big city behind and explore the country. We recently sold our home and most of everything we owned, and we bought one on wheels. So we loaded up the fifth wheel with our clothes, guitars, fishing poles, and our furry tribe and began this new journey. Along the way, we are hoping to learn from our mistakes and live our best life. Follow us as we meet new people, explore new places, and make new memories.
It's our last night in Alabama. Wow. We've been here about 3 months or more. Had the grandkids out for about 6 weeks, and me and Tammy have just enjoyed being here for a while. Just really fell in love with it out here. Just really relaxing and beautiful and nice people. Cool place. Really liked it. Anyway, it's time to go back to Texas tomorrow. We're bringing our RV, which we bought about 5 months ago, back to the dealership because we're having pretty severe issues with one of the Slideouts. Looks like it could be water damage. The dealership says they're going to work with us and help us out. We'll see how that goes. A little nervous about this one. We had problems with the Slideout from day one. I mean, I got it home and immediately started having problems. I got it to work about 3 times, I guess, before it just totally gave out. So it gave out right before we were to leave for Alabama, and so we had to pay someone to come out and close it for us. And then when we got to Alabama, we had to pay to get it opened again. It's just too heavy for us to do it. And now that we're leaving, we had to pay another guy. Well, actually, in Alabama, it's been the same company both times. It's made this trip pretty expensive. It's a bit disappointing, you know. I guess we're a little naive when we bought this, and you know, when you get into something like this, you really don't know anything when you first start. We tried to learn as much as we could, but I don't know. This RV was just so much what we wanted that maybe we were a little hasty. But we're hoping the dealership will make it right. We're looking forward to getting back to Texas too, though. Gonna probably be going back to where we started on Lake Travis. Man, it's a beautiful place. Looking forward to that. Here comes the wifey poo. Is it time to take the dogs out?
Yeah.
Ringo, do you want to go for a walk? No.
Outside?
You want to go?
Want to go outside?
That tail is dangerous. It's a weapon of mass destruction.
Jasper.
Now I got 2 of them going. Oh, the shape the RV's in right now.
I just feel like the walls are closing.
Stuff piled everywhere. So we're about to head out, and we're gonna go ahead and empty the tanks before we go. This is the exciting part. Now when you're staying in the same place for a long time, this isn't really such a messy job. But when you're about to leave, that's when you have to kind of take your chances. So we're gonna definitely glove up for this. Okay, so now that we've emptied the black and the gray tanks, and also flushed out the hose with the gray tanks, we have to disconnect the hose. Now this is kind of the risky part because pressure can build up down here and you could get a big surprise. Hey, that wasn't bad at all, huh? Kind of gross what's coming out of there, but didn't get on me. We're gonna pick this hose up and hopefully the bad bits will run into here. It's a little gross. There it goes. That kind of emptied out the hose pretty good. And we just pull this out of here. So we're gonna rinse out this hose here. Get all the evil out of this hose. All right, that should be pretty clean now. We'll go ahead and collapse it and put it away.
3 hours later.
Ta-da! Look how small it is. With that, we've disconnected the sewage on our RV. A little bit closer to getting ready to go. Next stop, Mississippi. When you're getting ready to go, of course you got to get the RV ready to hook up to the truck. So what you do is you come over here to the back stabilizers, and you can see I've lifted those. Because when I'm lifting up the front, I don't want these down, which, you know, might get a little wonky if I did that. Anyway, we have to come over here to the front. I'll put it in manual, and then we lift up the front so it's high enough to get onto the hitch.
Our wheels are all chalked.
Yep. So we have this on here so no one can come steal our rig.
And so now, once we get this latched and these holes match up, we put the safety pin in there and hook it underneath. And then the next step is to hook the breakaway cable. Hook it, they said anywhere, I like hooking it here. That way, if the truck comes engaged from the trailer, this will pull the brakes and engage the brakes for the trailer, so the trailer will stop.
Is you know, so all your brake lights and other lights on the RV on the outside will work, and also so when you push the brakes on the truck, it also engages the brakes on the RV, and it supposedly recharges the battery. So there you go. So once we've got it hooked up to the truck pretty good, then we retract the front stabilizers, and then all the weight goes onto the truck. We're pretty much ready to go. So what's going on with the dogs?
See the dogs and the cats?
Kitty cats. Not too happy.
And the dogs are patiently waiting. They're ready to go to Mississippi.
All right.
Here's sunglasses.
Pretty primitive. I like it. Gave the dogs some rope here so they could walk around here in this pretty campsite and enjoy it a little bit. I wish we could just let them run free, but can't do that. I want them to be able to hang outside with us a little bit, so here they are.
There's my boy. You happy you're outside?
Yummy. Well, you needed a bath, didn't you?
Oh my goodness. All right, we should have let them out a long time ago. Ugh. I need to take another shower. Ew. We are trying to plan our trip from Alabama coast all the way back to New Braunfels, Texas, so that we can get our slide out fixed. Kind of going back and forth between RV Parky and Google Maps to locate a stop for tonight. Right now we are in Magnolia RV Park and Family Campground. It's actually really beautiful here. Got a really nice campsite with the river on our campsite. A tire swing. And then lots of trees. Really pretty and quiet here. So this is a lot harder than they make it look on TV. Trying to decide where we want to stop, but I don't see a lot of RV parks on our route between Magnolia, Mississippi to... I want to go past Alexandria.
Alright, so we're headed out from Mississippi, headed to the Hidden Treasure RV Park, I do believe, in Louisiana. It's supposed to be on a beautiful lake, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. Should be very nice. Blues Highway in Mississippi. It's really called Blues Highway.
Welcome to Louisiana.